The plane just came out of restoration last week, actually. We did our test flying then. It currently has 7 hours on it right now, so it basically did our test flying and headed straight to Oshkosh. We have Curtiss SB2C Helldiver. It came from the Fagen Fighters WWII Museum out of Grand Falls, Minnesota. The Curtiss Helldiver was a dive bomber during World War II. Its main mission when it was initially conceived was dive bombing. They started getting into the island hopping campaigns. And once they started doing that with the rockets and the bomb loads and the 20mm cannons, the Helldiver really shined because it could do a lot of the ground attack role more than the dive bombing role, and really helped our troops advance in the island campaign as we were working our way towards Japan. It came out of Dahlgren, Virginia. It had gone for a takeoff and lost power. Came around, tried to make a landing, ended up crashing in the woods. The plane was broken apart pretty good, but it was all there. It initially went to Wichita Air Service, and they did the fuselage for it. After that, it came up to us. We started doing assembly for it. We had the center section and wings done at Tri-State Aviation. It's real systems heavy for an aircraft. There's a lot of hydraulics, a lot of electrical, and so we spent a lot of time just trying to figure all that stuff out. The main structures were done other places, so we could really concentrate on the complexity of all the systems, and overall, with all the shops working on it, it really worked out great and allowed us to get it done in decent time. I'm the shop foreman, managed the project. You know, I was back off behind the scenes kind of doing other stuff, and really I have a great crew that kind of took care of, you know, getting the plane together and getting the systems done right. It was nice because I could walk away and really rely on them to do things right. Boy, it varies. It has some unique features like the turtle deck collapses on it, and so people want to know, you know, what that was for and why, and it ultimately was for the gunner in the back so he could maneuver the guns easy. And so just the oddball questions about the different things people are seeing on it, because you know, there's only one other in the world flying, and so a lot of people don't see the Helldiver too often. So it's just great to talk to people about the different features and the plane's history ultimately. It's kind of overwhelming. You know, a lot of people are showing great interest in it. We've had great crowds around it, and you know, it's just been fun answering questions and talking to people about it and hearing about family members that worked on Helldivers or flew Helldivers. You know, and it's overall the whole week is just really great. You know, and that's why we do this, so people can carry those memories and new people can learn about different planes and what they did.